In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix file cannot be downloaded from the internet. So let's get started. First thing you need to make sure is your connection. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, okay? And make sure that your connection is good. Like this one, make sure that you have the internet access. Then for the second method, you can also try to you can also try a different download location, okay? In case that download location is faulty, so you can try a different download location. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Okay, once this opened, you have to make sure that the temporary internet files has been selected from here. Make sure temporary internet files has been selected and then simply click on OK. Click on delete files. Okay, and wait for the process to be done. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful videos and tutorials for you. So once this is done, go to the Windows search bar for the final method and type internet options. Click on internet options under the best match. Then you have to click on the security tab. Now here you'll find custom level. So click on the internet and click on custom level. Scroll down and we have to look for this one. You have to look for downloads. Make sure for the downloads this is set to enable. Okay, enable. And then scroll down and you'll find miscellaneous. Make sure this is set to prompt. Okay, access data sources across domains. Make sure this is set to prompt and click on OK. Click on yes, click on apply, and then click on OK, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.